Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get approved for SoFi Private Student Loans. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, we have the, of course, Discover, we have the Watch List, we also have the Account, the Invest, we have the Orders, and in the bottom right corner, the Social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get approved to SoFi Private Student Loans. So first of all, you need to be a US citizen, permanent resident, or a holder of eligible visa. You need to be at least age of majority in your state. Enroll at least half the time in eligible institution. You need to, of course, gather necessary personal financial information. Consider having a consignor, especially if you have limited credit history. Then you need to complete the online application on SoFi's website and provide details about your school program and the amount you need. Check the rates and terms offered to you without affecting your credit score. Choose between fixed or variable interest rates. Submit your application and wait for SoFi to review it. Once approved, sign your loan documents and wait for your school's certification. After certification, the funds will be distributed to your school. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.